Your trusted garage technician will never share these automotive maintenance secrets that could save you thousands in unexpected repairs. Today I'm revealing 14 professional techniques that will permanently transform your approach to vehicle care. Each of these strategies builds upon the previous one, but there's one particularly game-changing tip that made me completely reconsider everything I thought I understood about automotive mechanics. This technique, which virtually no driver knows about, separates reliable vehicles from expensive breakdowns. Stay with me until the end, because once you discover this secret, you'll never view car maintenance the same way again. First strategy: master the art of timing belt inspection like a certified technician. The timing belt is arguably the most critical component you've never thought about seriously. Unlike serpentine belts, which are visible and accessible, timing belts hide behind protective covers. Most manufacturers recommend replacement every 90,000 to 120,000 kilometers. However, visual inspection every 30,000 kilometers can prevent catastrophic engine damage. Look for fraying edges, missing teeth, or oil contamination on the belt surface. If you notice cracks running perpendicular to the belt's length, replacement is urgent. A broken timing belt can destroy pistons, valves, and connecting rods instantly. This single failure can cost 3,000 to 8,000 pounds in engine reconstruction. Second technique: revolutionize your approach to transmission fluid maintenance. Transmission fluid isn't just lubricant, it's hydraulic fluid that operates your entire transmission system. Most manufacturers claim lifetime fluid, but automotive engineers privately disagree with this marketing claim. For optimal performance, change transmission fluid every 60,000 to 80,000 kilometers. Dark brown or black fluid indicates oxidation and requires immediate replacement. Fresh fluid should appear bright red with a slightly sweet odor. This maintenance prevents costly transmission rebuilds that typically cost 4,000 to 7,000 pounds. Third strategy: decode your vehicle's cooling system like a professional diagnostic technician. Your cooling system maintains optimal engine temperature through precise thermostat control and coolant circulation. Low coolant levels don't just affect heating, they create air pockets that cause localized overheating. Check coolant levels weekly when the engine is completely cold. Coolant color changes indicate contamination or chemical breakdown requiring system flushing. Green coolant turning brown suggests rust contamination, while milky appearance indicates oil contamination. If these professional insights are valuable to you, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to support our work and receive all our exclusive automotive expertise. Fourth technique: transform your battery maintenance approach with professional testing methods. Car batteries don't simply die overnight, they gradually lose capacity through predictable degradation patterns. Load testing reveals actual battery condition more accurately than voltage measurements alone. Clean battery terminals monthly, using baking soda solution to neutralize acid corrosion. Cold weather reduces battery capacity by 30 to 50%, making winter testing crucial. Replace batteries showing less than 70% capacity during load testing. Fifth strategy: optimize your fuel system performance through systematic injector maintenance. Modern fuel injectors operate at extremely high pressures, up to 2,000 psi in direct injection systems. Carbon deposits gradually accumulate on injector tips, reducing spray patterns and fuel atomization. Professional injector cleaning every 40,000 kilometers maintains optimal fuel delivery. Use top-tier gasoline-containing enhanced detergent packages to minimize carbon buildup. Professional injector cleaning costs 200 to 400 pounds but prevents injector replacement. Sixth technique: master advanced brake system maintenance beyond basic pad replacement. Brake fluid absorbs moisture from atmospheric humidity, reducing boiling point and braking effectiveness. Fresh brake fluid boils at 230 degrees Celsius, while contaminated fluid boils at 140 degrees. Replace brake fluid every 2 years regardless of mileage to maintain safety margins. When replacing brake pads, always resurface or replace brake rotors simultaneously. Brake system bleeding removes air bubbles that create spongy pedal feel. Seventh strategy: revolutionize your air filtration system, understanding beyond basic replacements. Engine air filters don't just prevent dirt entry, they regulate airflow dynamics throughout the intake system. Cabin air filters affect air conditioning efficiency and interior air quality significantly. Replace engine air filters every 20,000 kilometers or when visibly contaminated. Some vehicles have multiple air filters, including engine, cabin, and fuel vapor filters. Quality air filtration extends engine life and maintains optimal performance characteristics. Eighth technique: decode your vehicle's electronic diagnostic systems like a professional technician. Modern vehicles contain 50 to 100 electronic control modules monitoring thousands of parameters. OBD2 scanners access basic diagnostic codes, but professional scanners provide comprehensive system analysis. Pending codes indicate developing problems before they trigger warning lights. Professional diagnostic equipment costs thousands, but basic scanners provide valuable information. Electronic system complexity makes professional diagnosis increasingly important for modern vehicles. Ninth strategy: optimize your steering and suspension systems through systematic maintenance. Power steering fluid degrades through heat cycles and contamination, affecting steering responsiveness. Professional alignment checks should occur annually or after any suspension work. Incorrect alignment reduces tire life by 50% and affects fuel economy negatively. Shock absorbers and struts don't just affect ride comfort, they maintain tire contact with road surfaces. Professional suspension inspection identifies problems before they become safety hazards. 10th technique: master advanced tire maintenance beyond basic pressure monitoring. Tire pressure monitoring systems alert drivers to significant pressure loss but don't prevent gradual deflation. Check tire pressure monthly when tires are cold for accurate measurements. Tire rotation patterns depend on tire type, vehicle drive configuration, and wear characteristics. Professional wheel alignment adjusts camber, caster, and toe angles for optimal tire contact. Professional tire inspections identify internal damage invisible to visual examination. 11th strategy: optimize your vehicle's electrical system through systematic maintenance procedures. Alternator output decreases gradually as brushes wear and connections corrode over time. Professional alternator testing measures actual output under load conditions accurately. Ground connections affect all electrical systems and require periodic cleaning and tightening. Wiring harness inspections prevent electrical fires and system malfunctions. Modern vehicles depend entirely on electrical systems for operation and safety functions. 12th technique: understand advanced engine oil analysis beyond basic change intervals. Oil analysis reveals engine condition through microscopic particle examination and chemical testing. Professional oil analysis identifies bearing wear, contamination sources, and oil breakdown products. Oil analysis costs £50 but prevents engine damage worth thousands. Professional oil analysis programs track engine condition trends over time accurately. Early problem detection through oil analysis prevents catastrophic engine failures. 13th strategy: implement systematic preventive maintenance scheduling for optimal reliability. Professional maintenance schedules consider driving conditions, climate, and vehicle usage patterns. Severe service conditions require accelerated maintenance intervals for optimal reliability. Professional maintenance prevents problems rather than reacting to failures. Deferred maintenance creates cascading failures that multiply repair costs exponentially. Systematic maintenance scheduling optimizes vehicle reliability and minimizes ownership costs. 14th and final strategy: develop comprehensive vehicle documentation and maintenance tracking systems. Detailed maintenance records demonstrate proper care to warranty administrators and potential buyers. Professional maintenance tracking identifies patterns and predicts future service requirements. Digital maintenance logs provide instant access to service history and upcoming requirements. Professional documentation protects warranty coverage and proves proper vehicle care. Systematic record keeping identifies recurring problems and service provider quality. These essential automotive maintenance strategies represent professional-level vehicle care knowledge. Following these practices isn't just good advice, it's the optimal approach to maintaining vehicle reliability while minimizing ownership costs. Preventive maintenance isn't an expense, it's an investment in vehicle longevity and safety. Every pound invested in proper maintenance saves 10 pounds in future repairs. Professional vehicle care separates reliable transportation from expensive breakdowns. If this professional content has provided value, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to never miss our exclusive automotive expertise. Your support enables us to continue sharing these professional insights with you.